If your iPhone flashlight is not working, don't panic. Here are a few quick ways to fix it. First, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix temporary bugs. Press and hold the side button and volume up or down, then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Next, check if the flashlight is accessible. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and try tapping the flashlight icon. If it's grayed out, your camera might be in use. Speaking of the camera, open the camera app. Switch to video mode and turn the flashlight icon on and off. And if it doesn't light up when you turn it on, your flash hardware might be having issues. Next, go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Then, go into LED Flash for alerts. Then, try toggling it off and back on. It resets the flashlight signal. And if you recently updated iOS, a bug might be causing it. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If you're still finding no luck, try resetting your settings. Go to your settings app, then tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset all settings. And if none of this helps, it might be a hardware issue, especially if the phone was dropped or exposed to water. In that case, take it to Apple support or an authorized repair shop. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.